want from me? Yes?
My grandma wanted me to tell you that she missed you at Christmas.
Yeah, well, I couldn't go anyways. My mom's still pissed about Thanksgiving.
Your mom is crazy. She scares me.
She's not crazy, okay? She has a big heart. She's very warm.
I do not find your mom very warm.
You don't?
Well, yeah, no, she's warm, but she's scary.
You can't be warm and scary.
I think you can. She is.
You're gay.
Fuck me. Please don't tell anyone. I'm so sorry about everything. I'm so ashamed. It's gonna be bad. I don't know how to tell my mom or dad.
It's okay. Don't worry, I won't tell.
Thank you.